Hey, in front of me is Realme 10 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this Realme. First of all, you need to access Recorder app. Then click on Standard and tap on the best mode for you. In my case, Interview. Now you need to tap on this red button to start recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on this black icon. And if you want to add a photo one, tap on this camera one. Now take a photo and discard it by choosing this icon on the left or save it by tapping on the check mark on the right. If you wish to end your recording and save it, you need to tap on the check mark at the top right corner. Then name it however you wish to and hit save. In order to play it, click on it. In order to delete it though, you need to go back, hold it, and select delete icon at the bottom right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!